Welcome, friends. We're about to go on an adventure. So come on along. Join us in our big expedition.
Where are you going?
To the snow mountains.
Ooh, what are you going to do at the snow mountain?
Sled, cuz. My family and I are going to Big Bear to see if we find snow. We are going sledding to Alpine Slide. Big Bear Mountain is located 1 hour from Los Angeles. Here you go.
Thank
Can you guess what I'm making? Yep, a snow angel.
Ooh,
Snow angel.
snow angel.
Want me to push it?
Hi. Come on, Sebastian. Come on, Mommy.
We're going up the slope. They're trying to take us up the slope. Okay. This place is fun. You can go down the slide as many times as you want. If you're not 5, that's okay. It's still very, very, very fun going with your mom.
Hi, Emmy. Wait for this. Wait. Sit down. Sit down.
No, it's okay. You're allowed to go laying down. Anima! Get set! Go! The tube went very, very, very fast. I loved it. Can I go? Can I go on my belly like Emmy?
Hi, Emmy.
Snowflake! Mikey's gonna crash you. No, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Splash. Help! Team, I'm under attack! Help! Help! Oh, yeah? Ah! Let's go on that one while we're waiting.
Where?
That one. After lunch, we went on an amazing fast ride. We're on that one.
On the next one.
It can be tricky getting on, so wait for your mom and dad. Hi, Annie. I can see my sissy. Whoa. We're really high up. Make sure to ask for help if you're really little. And now I'm 4 years old, so I can handle it.
Emmy?
Since I'm tall enough, I get to go on my own.
Yeah? You guys are good to go. Have fun.
Have fun!
Remember, whatever you do, don't touch the track.
What are you doing?
Getting this car, the train on the track. Maybe just a little help from my dad.
Okay. Forward a little bit because Daddy has to sit.
What a beautiful lake.
It is a beautiful lake. Look at that.
Hold on tight. We might go 100 miles per hour.
No, baby. Did you have fun?
Mommy, can we go sledding now? After some more snacks, we went back to the inner tubes to go down the slide.
Hi, Princess.
Look at me go! Here I go! Woohoo! This is how you do it, guys! Perfect landing, if I say so myself. I'm ready to go. Let's go, everyone. Good night, everybody. Goodbye. For more details of this trip, look at the links below.